Rebel Squad. Family, what's good? It's your boy Matt the Rebel, man. It is time for another review. You guys saw the thumbnail, so you already know what shoe we talking about. Video up, let's get to it. What's good, Rebel Squad? What's up? It's your boy Matt the Rebel, man. I'm back with another video for you today, Rebel Squad. Guys, you know the vibes when you're on the channel, man. Welcome to all the new family members to the Rebel Squad, guys. Thank you for subbing to the channel, family. Welcome. You are now a part of the most lit family on all of YouTube. Thank you for checking this channel out. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to check out another sneaker review. Also, family, make sure that you like this video. Stay engaged on the channel all together, guys, and make sure that you hit that bell every time so that way you are notified every time a video drops on the channel, Rebel Squad. All right, also make sure you follow me on social media, man. All of my social media links are in the description below. So what are we talking about today? You guys saw the thumbnail, man. We're not even wasting no time today, family. It is time to talk about and do a review on the Air Jordan Retro 1 Shadow 2.0. Let's get into it. Squad, now that we're back, guys, you already know what we are talking about today on the channel, man. We are talking about the Air Jordan Retro 1 High OG 2.0 Shadow 2.0, man. The shoe, guys, let me be honest, good shoe. But the reason why I love this shoe so much is because simply it's versatile. Guys, you can't go wrong with the really clean black, gray, and white shoe. You really just can't. Like, it's just a very good shoe, man. It's very well done, guys. It does have a really good suede texture to it. I'm not gonna say it's like the most high quality suede, even though it is really good and solid quality. The leather could have been a lot sturdier. I have yet to see leather as good as my Patina ones. I have yet to see leather that good. Also, family, if you are interested in the Patina ones, make sure you check out my review. I will link that right up there for you to check out. Back to the Shadow 2.0s, family. So really good shoe, man. Suede all around the upper of the shoe, guys. Black tumble leather on the mid panels and on the toe box right there. All right, so you guys can get a look at that. Yeah, you guys are like, man, that shoe has a couple of wrinkles in it already, man. Let me give you guys a little, put you in on a little secret real quick, okay? I wore them. What? I wore my shoes? Oh my God. Black leather on the toe box right there, guys. Going all the way up, guys, you do have nylon right there on the tongue. OG black and gray Nike Air logo like we're used to seeing on all Jordan, most Jordan ones. And then you have that Wings logo right there on the side, guys, stitched in perfectly. Black and gray Air Jordan Wings logo. On the interior, man, you do have that Nike Air logo right there. And you guys see that size, man, or if you can, men's size 12. So you guys already know what that means. Personal pair for the toe for the kid, all right? Comes with black laces, guys, and it also comes with a set of gray laces as well. Now, me personally, I don't really see myself rocking the gray laces. In my opinion, I think the color of the tongue is probably the best match for your laces. Now, of course, guys, you can definitely piece together a fire outfit, man. Lace swap it, put white, gray, black on there, whatever you want to do. All of them will look great. I just think for me personally, my personal style, you guys already know I wear mostly black anyways. Definitely gonna be changing that. Y'all stay tuned, all right? The shoe overall, family, is really, really well done, all right? Leather, you got that nice crispy tumble leather right there on the back of the heel, guys. Padded interior on the heel liner, man, to give your foot some of that comfort. And of course, like always, most Jordans are a little flat-footed, so I definitely would recommend getting an inner sole swap as well. Now, me personally, I'm gonna go with some nice gel inner soles because I do plan to wear this shoe often. You know what I'm saying? It's always good. Is that a double up I see? It is. Black and gray Air Jordan Retro 1 2.0 Shadows, man. This is the pair right here, Rebel Squad. All right, so you guys can see both of those like so. I've never really been a fan of ones. I'm not gonna lie to you. I really haven't. Jordan ones just really haven't been my thing, but you know, when I start wearing them more, you know, of course, the classic nostalgia, the classic clean vibe that Jordan ones put on, I'm actually becoming a fan of them. Now, I'm not gonna be out here, oh, I gotta get every single Jordan 1. I need to get my Jordan 1 collection up. Not really, man. If if it puts out a dope colorway or a colorway like this where I can literally wear it with anything, then, you know, I'll consider getting it for the closet, man, for the collection. But until then, you know, Jordan 1s are cool, and that's it. Now, everybody is a Jordan 1 fan with the nostalgia, Last Dance documentary, this and that, but it's all good, family. So this is the Air Jordan Retro 1 2.0 Shadow, guys. It is really dope, man. Air Jordan Retro 1 Shadow 2.0, I should say. Here's another great thing about, guys, I'm not going to talk about the box. It comes in the same exact black and red Nike box that we are used to seeing on every single shoe. Matter of fact, I have the box open right here. So this is the box right here, guys. There is the tag, size 12, man. You guys already know what that means. I'll go ahead and read the color palette to you guys. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, smoke gray, and white. Not to be confused with the smoke gray OG highs that came out. Dang, the smoke gray OGs come out 2019 now? Has it been almost 2 years? Or a year and a half ago? Or last year? Something like that, guys. But anyways, here are the Shadow 2.0s, guys. Really clean shoe, man. Black, white midsole right there to give the shoe some really nice contrast with its black and gray upper. Really, really dope and well done shoe. Can't lie. I love the fact that I have this in my collection. Now, to the second part of the video, guys. Now that we've seen the shoe, I know a lot of people have been mad at the fact that they can never get a Jordan 1 on release date. Now, me personally, I've been somewhat successful, man, when it comes to getting Jordan 1s, but every Jordan 1 that I've gotten, guys, this year, I got it after the release date. Now, here's the thing. You have to do your research and you have to make sure you understand where shoes are restocking. When I find out information, guys, I will gladly, and I mean gladly, share it with you on how you can go and get this shoe at retail. If you follow me on Instagram, guys, make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Mac the Rebel, okay? Sub to the channel and then go follow me on Instagram at Mac the Rebel, guys. I put out a video on my story. I was visiting North Carolina, man. I was down there for some work, down there for a little bit of pleasure as well, a little bit of play, kicking it with some of my friends, man. Went shopping, went into a local sneaker store. I'm not gonna say that sneaker store's name because the manager at that store her attitude was terrible, so I'm not gonna give her the credit to shout her out. But actually went into a store, guys. These were sitting on the shelf. Yes, you heard that right. The Shadow 2.0s were sitting on the shelf, full size run. I walked in, I was actually just shopping around. I didn't know this shoe was even there. I look on the shelf and I say, ma'am, is this just like one, it's like the last pair that you have or something? And she's like, no, we have more pairs in the back. I'm like, oh, really? Well, can I get a size 12? And she said, sure. Boom, size 12, scan my app, there it is. All right, and guys, that's how that happened. I got it after release date. You guys see that other pair back there? That is one of those right place, right time shoes. So we'll probably talk about that shoe another time. But as far as another chance at this sneaker, the only other app that I have seen that is still releasing the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0 is the Chic app. If you guys are not familiar with Chic, man, they are a very well-known store, you know, 100% legit sneaker store. They are actually doing a raffle for the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0s until June 5th. All right, so let me go ahead and show you guys my Chic app so you guys know I'm not really trying to pull your leg. All right, so this is what it looks like right here. All right, so you guys already see what I've entered. These are the details right here, guys. So I think I lost the first two raffles already, and then there is the other one that is currently open right now. So go ahead, guys, create your profiles on the Chic app. This is, I'm not gonna say it's the last chance to get them. I'm pretty sure there'll be a Nike store restock. I'm pretty sure Finish Line or Champs, Foot Locker, somebody is gonna restock these, guys. So you are gonna get multiple chances, family. It's just that you have to pay attention, and if you really want the sneaker, you have to stay on your P's and Q's, man. Stay on your toes, keep your head on the swivel, and make sure that you get your size, okay? That is how you spell it right there. And then, guys, once you go right there, there is the way to enter. All you gotta do is create a profile. You go to releases, enter for the raffle, and then click your size, hit enter, and then you're good to go. All right, so guys, you have another chance at the Air Jordan Retro 1 Shadow 2.0s, guys. Make sure you enter, man. Don't waste any time, and make sure you get your size, Rebel Squad. Every time I give you some info, I will try my best to deliver it to you, squad. And with that being said, squad, it's your boy Matt the Rebel. It's the Air Jordan Retro 1 Shadow 2.0s. One pair, two pair. Guys, you guys already know the vibes, man. Family, I will see you in the next one. Make sure you sub to the channel, guys. Like and comment on this video. Please, please sub to the channel, guys. We are so close to 1K, and we will see you in the next one, squad. And I'm checking out. Until the next time, peace.